My video is about removing the browser surveys, fake surveys that are related to the site Baseowesand.live. Some people see these pop-ups by Baseowesand.live, and these pop-ups are totally faulty and truly deceptive. They try to make you share a lot of your personal details. Such pop-ups claim that you have a chance of winning some prize, but the real purpose of these fake surveys is to make you share your personal data, such as name, surname, email address, and other information. Don't share any of your personal details through these fake surveys. I recommend that you also additionally research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com and download the program, install it, and begin examining your computer with its help in order to effectively detect and eliminate other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.